Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to fix a fallen closet shelf? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to walk you through how to fix one of these wire shelving if it fell in your closet. We've encountered this quite a few times, gotten to be a pro at it, so I can't wait to show you how to do it. While we got a second, if you can, please go to the bottom right and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate the subscribers. That keeps this channel going. Also, any likes, questions, or comments you got, go ahead and put them in the comment box, and I'll get right back to you. Really appreciate it, and thanks again for subscribing. So this shelf is supposed to be up here, and then this piece is supposed to be here. We didn't put too much weight on it, but it's pretty old. It's probably been here since the house was built about 30 years ago. And if you look real close, it's got these hooks here. They're plastic, but on two of the hooks, they've completely broken. And this one, if you look real close, I bet you I can just about make it crumble in my hand. Yeah, that easy. So that is not good. I don't know if that's normal or if it's just what we've been encountering, but I've been having shelf after shelf after shelf falling and really need to go ahead and be proactive, but instead we end up being reactive and fixing these. So it's an easy fix. If this bar is falling out, you need to replace the anchor, which we got another video on, but it's pretty easy. Today we're going to concentrate on these, so stay tuned. I'll walk you step by step through it. It's an easy project. All right, step one is going to be to just go ahead and unscrew the existing screw that's in there. It's part of a Phillips head. You can just use a screwdriver or you can use a drill. And when you do that, the anchor's still going to stay in the wall. So after that anchor stays in the wall, grab a pair of needle nose pliers and you're going to insert one of the needle nose plier into the hole. And then you're going to try to grab the rest of it, and it may break, and that one just broke completely out. So what's still in the wall, because it's so brittle, is this whole part. I'll go ahead and link in the description a set of replacement clips, but you can get these drywall mount clips to just go ahead and replace these. This is Closet Made item number 17705. But I like this one because you hit it in with a hammer, and it just goes ahead and nails in and spreads that out to get a nice grip into the wall. They also have some with screws that you can use depending on what you're attaching into, if it's into wood or concrete. But for drywall, this is a really good option, and they're very easy. If you have them with a nail, you just have to grab the entire thing and pull it out. But so that piece broke through. You have a couple options. One is just to take your needle nose pliers and just go ahead and push it, and you can just kind of push it into the wall. That one I just heard it fall. It's in there, so we're good to go. So after that happens, take your new clip, push it in, and then gently tap the nail until it's well seated. You can go ahead and grab and make sure, but you didn't make that hole any bigger. It's pretty much what it was before, so that should work, and that should give you a new grip. We're going to do it to these two. Stay tuned, and we'll let you know when we're about done. Well, those did not take long at all. The other two took less than a minute. So sometimes they'll be upside down, and what that means is just so one will be pointing the other direction, so it holds it down. That's helpful depending on what you're doing, but these were all facing up, so it's pretty easy. So it's going to go there, make sure it's lined up, and it should clip right in. Go ahead and clip right in. You'll hear a little click, and then click, depending on what you have to get it set into. And finally, you're going to have one of these other bars. Again, if this bar did make a hole in the wall, you might have to relocate it or redo it, but this one is pretty good. Look like we're in a good spot. Go ahead and get it set. It actually was up here. There it is. All right, so you're going to put it on the top bar, but we're sturdy as can be again, nice and level. Easy fix. Again, it's kind of a pain when this happens, but no big deal. These little replacement anchors are very easy to use and really inexpensive. So you don't really need any special tools, just a screwdriver, a hammer, a set of needle nose pliers, and you'll be done in no time. So appreciate you watching the video. Again, like, comment, most importantly, subscribe. Remember all these videos, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.